Hi students, this is Deepak Arya from Cambridge School. Today I am going to elaborate and explain the fifth and the sixth chopai of Sri Hanuman Chalisa, which are really very beautiful. Kanchan Varan Viraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa, Hath Vajra Dhuja Viraje, Kandhe Moond Janevu Saje. So in these linings, Tulsidas ji is explaining the power of Hanumanji, and he's trying to explain the figure of Hanumanji. You might have noticed within yourself that God has given us the super computer also inside. When we think of the tamarind or the lemon, the tamarind and lemon comes in our mind. When we think of Nainital, Nainital comes. When we think of a crow or a bird, that comes in our mind. So that is the speciality that God has given. The same way, when we are reading Hanuman Chalisa, understanding it very properly, calmly, so we can create a big figure, the supreme figure of Sri Hanuman ji. That is Kanchan Baran Viraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa, Hath Vajro Dhuja Viraje, Kanje Mood Janevu Saje. In these linings, Tulsidas ji is explaining the figure, the beautiful figure and the powerful figure, supreme figure of Hanumanji, who is holding the Hanuman Vajra, means Gada, which is full of power, and who is holding the flag also of the victory. So these linings are just explaining the figure and the power of Hanumanji, that Hanumanji is a superman. He is superman. When we are thinking of this, what will happen? Our spirit will be changed altogether. You might have noticed in your life, when you go to watch the action movie, coming back home, your gesture and posture changes, and your spirit also changes. You become like hero. So the same happens when we read Hanuman Chalisa very properly and understanding and imagining Hanumanji. So it will be changing your spirit altogether. Only the remembrance of Hanumanji will give you a lot of power and spirit. This is my belief. You can once try it. So that is Kanchan Varan Viraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa, Hath Vajra और Dhuja Viraje, Kanje Mund Janevu Saje, means the figure which is full of holy secret and who is full of power, who is the superman. This is all about Hanumanji. So I request you, insist you once again to read Hanuman Chalisa very properly, thinking of Hanumanji, and imagine if you read Hanuman Chalisa every day, twice and thrice, every day your mind will be creating the same figure, and your ideal, your hero will become Hanumanji, not the Hollywood and Bollywood actor and actresses. And if your hero becomes Hanumanji, so you will also behave like that, and you'll be having spirit inside, righteousness, the power, and you'll be able to enjoy your life with the satisfaction, prosperity and holiness. So this is the benefit and the magic of Hanuman Chalisa. So thanks for listening to me, and God bless you. Bye bye.